Well, think about it, guys. Brushing your teeth, making a cup of coffee. Every morning, you probably drink or use water in your home several times. And according to the Environmental Protection Agency, the average family uses more than 300 gallons of water every day. We spoke to Jennings Thompson Laboratories and Culligan Water Conditioning about potentially harmful contaminants you need to make sure are not in your water supply.
Water is such an important part of our daily lives. That's why Andrew Whalen of Culligan Water Conditioning says it's very important that it's clean and free from contaminants.
Now everything in your house drinks, pasta drinks, your skin drinks, and if you think about it, it does all drink.
So that's where laboratories like Jennings Thompson come in. They can test your drinking water for total coliform bacteria, which, if detected, may indicate the presence of disease-causing organisms. That test also checks specifically for E. coli.
Total coliform will cause you gastrointestinal distress, but E. coli is more pathogenic and actually can cause a serious illness.
Jack Thompson with the labs tested for the presence of total coliform bacteria in the drinking water of 3 Virginia Beach homes.
Any presence of total coliform will make the water unsafe for human consumption.
To perform the test, Thompson removes the aerator from the faucet, cleans the faucet with bleach, and runs the water for at least 5 minutes to flush standing water in the pipes. Then he collects and records a sample to take it back to the lab for analysis.
These will be transferred into a cooler full of ice. This is a temperature blank, which I'm going to put into the ice. And we place the bags in the temperature blank for transport back to the lab.
The results for each home were the same, negative for E. coli and total coliform. Thompson says that means the Commonwealth of Virginia deems the water bacteriologically safe to drink for the household.
Even small amounts aren't good for anybody, especially children.
Really valuable information there, and the EPA says if you're on a public water system, then you should get an annual quality report from your water company every year. If you're on a private system like a household well or something like that, you're responsible for assuring that water is safe, so you need to get it checked every year by some sort of certified company.
Good advice, Ashley.
Yeah.